My name is Caroline, and we're actually filming in my kitchen today. Today we're going to talk and teach you how to design arrangements that are a lot different than usual because our approach is floral therapy. The arrangements we're designing is for your bedroom. The bedroom is really a place of balance where, after a long day, you just need to find yourself and nurture yourself. So the design we're going to do is really based on balance. You're going to balance the flowers. You're not going to do something that's asymmetrical or, very technical. So in the design, the most important thing today is the ingredients that we're using. So we have some beautiful fragrant garden roses. And those are the big blooms that we're going to start with. Roses bring a lot of emotions. And they have the tendency to boost your libido. You're going to think, oh, why do we need to boost your libido in your bedroom? Well, I'm French. I believe it's important that you guys have a good time in your bedroom. So we're not going to cut all the stems at the same length, though, because we want to give a little bit of a dimensional effect to the design. And we want to mix the blooms with different varieties of roses to add a lot more textures into the design. Flower therapy and aromatherapy have been something that us human beings have been thinking about since ancient Egypt. And flowers are definitely more than flowers because of their different soothing kind of effects. So to the roses, we're going to add some tuberose. Tuberose is super fragrant and it is known to be an aphrodisiac. So again, don't think that we're designing anything kinky, but we want for you to feel really relaxed when it comes to your bedroom and have a really nice sleeping experience. So here is our tuberose blooms. So again, we try to balance them a little. So to the tuberose, we're going to add some sprigs of French lavender. Lavender is known to really soothe any type of anxiety. It's a very relaxing and it's very good for sweet dreams. So again, play with the movement of the flowers. You see, this is bending a little. You want it to come out of the arrangement and bend a little as well. Here we have a taller sprig. So we're just going to put it right here like so. Another thing that I have forgotten to mention to you, which is really important, always remove the bottom foliage of your stem because you want for your flowers to last longer, and this way, this will enhance the longevity of the florals. The colors we've picked for the bedroom are more of a pastel type of color. We don't want to boost your creativity in the bedroom. What we want to do is, again, give you a very relaxing kind of feel. All right, so to the lavender, now we're going to add some sage. Sage is known to be the master of the aromatic herbs. It's been used by, American Indian, and it is known to take away any type of negativity that you may have endured throughout the day before you go to sleep. So here we go. We got a couple of sage at the bottom of the arrangement, just again to cover our stems a little. And lastly, we're going to add some fragrant geranium, which is my ultimate favorite foliage to add to an arrangement. And fragrant geranium boosts your positivity. So when you go to sleep, you're going to have no negativity, a boost of positivity, a touch of relaxing effect, and a little bit of a boost for your libido. So here we go. Cut the stems as an angle, always. It's a very important florist rule. There we go. There we are. So then you know, kind of, that your arrangement is ready by instinct. If you're happy with it, does it make you feel good? That's kind of the questions that you're going to ask yourself once you're done designing your arrangement. Working with flowers is something that is super rewarding because you kind of surprise yourself by the things you can do, which is really great. So here we go. Here is our bedroom arrangement. Pastel colors, very balanced. When you go to sleep, you can take a look at it, and when you wake up in the morning, the flowers will be more bloomed. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
I'm Takaya from Buunch. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make arrangement for kitchen. Kitchen are usually heart of the house. All family members flock together, chatting, eating, always busy space. So this time also, this moment, you can also play or create with the kids together. This is gonna be kind of a nice idea. So today I just pick up all flower from the farmer's market. Usually I pick all kind of edible flower today. This is a yellow marigold, orange marigold, and then sweet pea, and zinnia. It's kind of red zinnia, and then dill. Also, very rare to show. Today I'm gonna use for bell pepper for the flower vases. So this is gonna be very fun for kids. But don't forget, it is a hollow. There's a space. You have to put the water, otherwise flower is going to die. It's also cut already. So this time also I just prepare for the plates, so we can put all kind of pieces on the plate. It's gonna be more kind of compact and very organized looking. So usually Buunch style, we usually kind of more like a more pop feeling and then no kind of messy looking. So I just kind of focusing on the one color with kind of one kind of flower or same color together. It's not gonna be mixed color. So first I go with marigold. When you cut flower, use it better as a knife. It's hard to cut use the knife. If you have a clipper, also okay. But give some angle. And then take off the leaf. Then I prefer kind of leave the kind of leaves on the stem. It's gonna be more natural effect. Then you always check the balance, not gonna fall down. So yellow marigolds go only yellow bell pepper. The next is gonna be orange marigold. Go to the orange bell pepper. Also, this plate also is gonna help to the kind of make it straight up, all flower. If you wanna kind of just a little bit wobbling, you can put the edge so they can stay really well. It's already kind of smells so good, so you can enjoy also when you are making the arrangement. This is the red zinnia. This also petal you can put in a salad. You can eat kind of low. then marigold again. So it's already color is getting kind of popping out. It's very kind of cute. It's fun looking, but it's still kind of too low. It's gonna be too flat. So I just gonna add dill, this yellow dill, to the yellow bell pepper, then make more heights, and then make more airy, and then more 3D effect. And also smell is very nice. So when you are making arrangement, kind of you getting hungry. Sometimes also you go turn around to see all angle. It's a nice the view. So this is nice. Okay, then after you put this arrangement in the center of the table, so people sitting around and chatting with nice smell all together, and then you can eat tonight also. So this is pretty much the bunch style kind of arrangement, popping color. Thank you so much.